guess what I did? I painted some pots. So hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is RICA. So today I decided to show you guys what I have been doing for the past few days. I've been painting some plant pots. So I'm going to show you today what I have accomplished. Now during this pandemic time, quarantine time, I know that a lot of us have become plant moms, which includes me, of course. There's plants here. What better way to step up or level up being a plant mom than to make or purchase some hand-painted plant pots. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how I made these, and also if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these that I made, then you can just click the link in the description below. This was actually the first time I've ever painted plant pots, so this is sort of like a trial for me. But in the future, I will be making more designs, so please look forward to that. Okay, so the first one, I really like this one. So this is, I think this is a ceramic pot. It's black, originally black, and I put some white and gold stripes around it. For this one, the first thing I did was I used tape to map out where I was going to make the stripes. And before painting on it, I put gesso in order for the paint to stick better. After putting the gesso, I put some red oxide on the spaces where I wanted to put the gold paint in order for the gold to stand out a lot better. This took about 2 coats of paint for each stripe, and then after doing all that, I would coat it all in Mod Podge just to seal it. One we have this design is, I don't even know what it's called, but I just found inspiration on the internet, Pinterest probably, or Google Images. But I really like the design. This is a clay pot with this thing already with it. As you can see, for the clay and the wooden pots, I first put Mod Podge on the inside in order to seal it, and then put Mod Podge again on the outside. After that dries, I put gesso on top so that it could be ready to be painted. I'm painting both the plate and the pot itself with an underpaint first of a beige color. That'll be the base. And then after that, I just make my designs and make sure to put a couple of coats so that it looks a lot more bold and bright. Next one we have is this one. As you can see, it's a group of 3. This is not clay or ceramic, this is wood. They are wooden plant pots, so they can come off obviously. It has a blue, white, and silver design, which I really like. They're just stripes. It's very simple, but I think it looks very elegant. You've probably noticed by now that I used a lot of tape to make straight lines for these pots. Just like the rest of the pots, I would always put gesso first as the base, and then I would coat it with at least 2 layers of paint. And then lastly, I would just put Mod Podge all over it in order to seal it. Okay, now lastly, I really like these as well. It's a set of 3. It's black, white, and gold, similar to this, and it's a set of 3. This is the first one. This is how it looks on the back. Same thing. This is the next one. This is how it looks on the back. And lastly, this one. It also comes with this wooden plate that you could put on top. is basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this type of content, then please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos, my upcoming videos. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.